Plot number 129, Hindu Colony, Dadar. This address is extremely important and special for a significant population in India. It was the year 1933 when Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar completed the construction of this place. This was a custom-built home specially for the impeccable collection of books that Babasaheb acquired over a period of lifetime. Rajgriha is a holy site for many Indians, especially the marginalized communities. Very few addresses have this kind of cult following in our times. Babasaheb, along with his family, lived in Rajgriha for 15 to 20 years. Lakhs of people visit this site before going to Chaityabhumi on 6th of December. The Heritage Monument is a 3-storied building. The ground floor makes up for the museum as a memorial to Babasaheb. The museum attracts crowd across all ages, from little schoolgoers to age-old folks. Everyone finds their inspiration in Rajgriha. The museum houses tons of things which are actually used by Babasaheb himself. Babasaheb's backbone, his wife Ramabai, took her last breath in this house. She passed away in the year 1935. This very iconic site was vandalized on the evening of 7 July 2020 by an unidentified man. He pelted stones at windows. The CCTV footage clearly displays how this young man entered Rajgriha from a 3-feet high gate on the Tuesday evening. He didn't stop there. He went on to smash flower pots and damage plants in the premises of the museum. The followers of Babasaheb across the globe are in a shock by this incident. They took on Twitter by storm. Hashtags such as Rajgriha, Rajgriha stands tall, Rajgriha our pride were used, and in no time it was trending all over the social media. Babasaheb's grandson and supremo of Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi, Prakash Ambedkar, addressed the crowd after this incident.
एक फोकस राहिला, एकच प्रश्न राहिला, तर मग त्याचा शोध करायला सोपं जातं. पण एकाच बरोबर 10 प्रश्न उपस्थित झाले, मग याला बगल देऊन दुसऱ्याला असलेलं महत्व येण्याचा अनेक विरोधक त्याला असलेला प्रयत्न त्या ठिकाणी करतील. आणि म्हणून माझं म्हणणं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये की आपण कुठल्याही परिस्थितीने फोकस जो आहे तो जाऊ देणार नाही. म्हणजे उद्याचे समजा उदाहरण लग्न झाले असं धरून करणारं कोण हे जर आपल्याला शोधायचं असेल तर आपण मगाशी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे 3 गोष्टी. जो सीसी कॅमेरामध्ये आपल्याला चेहरा दिसतोय तो कोण आहे, तो कुठल्या संघटनेचा आहे, कुठल्या विचाराचा आहे, आणि त्याच्यावरती कारवाई झाली पाहिजे. जी काही कोर्ट त्याला शिक्षा देईल ती आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मंजूर राहील. एवढंच पुरतं आपण असणारं फोकस राहावं अशी माझी आपल्या सगळ्यांना विनंती. जय भीम.